This segment is sponsored by Stohlman Subaru of Sterling.
I'm Caroline Patricus with Good Morning Washington, and today we are at Coates Elementary School in Herndon with a very special surprise. We're going to get to that in a little bit, but I want to tell you who's joining me. First, we have Susan Unger of Kids Are First, the founder. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
And then we have Will James of Stohlman Subaru of Sterling. So first, I do want to start with you, Susan. Kids Are First, you're the founder. You said you started in your garage. Tell me what's happening here at Coates Elementary School.
It's a very special day when children, not only do we normally help out with school supplies, but we have been given the pleasure of partnering with the Stohlman family and the Subaru dealerships. Today, the dealership out in Sterling that is providing coats for kids at Coates Elementary. I have one of the coats right here. This is for a little girl and for a size, I don't know, like 7 or 8. But we have sizes for the children from all the way from toddler sizes up through actually like young adults. So that the kids, we know it's spring, but what we're looking at is providing Stohlman is providing the coats so that we call it sizing up a size so that the kids can wear them when they return in the fall.
Wow, such a great cause. And we really have to think about that. There are so many students in need, and it's kind of rare that you see a dealership give back in this way, yet alone donate 500 coats, winter coats, to children in need. So Will, James, I want to bring you in. Stohlman of Subaru, tell us, why do this? Why give back in this way?
Actually, Stohlman Subaru of Sterling used to be located right here in downtown Herndon. So we're really deeply rooted in this community. And for a long time, being a family-owned dealership for over 80 years, we actually give a lot back to the community. We like partnering with the community. It's important for us to make sure that all people are taken care of, not just our customers. So that's why we do it.
Now, this is just one way that Stohlman Subaru of Sterling gives back. I want to ask, what other charities are you involved in? Because I know there's a lot.
Yeah, Stohlman Subaru of Sterling takes the love promise extremely important to us. One of the other charities we partner with is UVA Medical Health, where we just donated a ton of warm, cuddly blankets. And for a cancer patient going through chemo, there's nothing quite better than a warm, cuddly blanket. But there's a lot of other charities that we partner with. Another important one is Canine Caring Angels. They do service dogs for veterans with PTSD and other traumas.
Absolutely, for the community. And you heard it right there, Stohlman Subaru of Sterling giving back today with Kids Are First to students in need. More than 500 coats behind me, and the children are going to be able to pick out their own color, and they'll be ready to go for next winter.
Thank you.